Using YouTube TV to watch local channels is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, check availability in your area. YouTube TV doesn't offer local channels in every region. To confirm availability, visit the YouTube TV website, which is tv.youtube.com/welcome. Enter your zip code on the page. This will display the local channels available in your area. If local channels are available, proceed with signing up for YouTube TV. During sign up, verify your address to ensure you receive the local channels corresponding to your location. Once you have an active subscription on your computer, go to the Live tab on the YouTube TV website. Local channels are typically displayed at the top of the channel guide. On your mobile device, open the YouTube TV app and tap the Guide tab. Local channels should be situated near the beginning of the channel list.